My hands down favorite part of moving to the South is the food. And one of my favorites so far is banana pudding. So I'm gonna show you how to make a high protein, low calorie version that still tastes amazing. So let's get to it. So we're gonna need a half a cup of fat-free Fairlife milk, 15 grams of fat-free vanilla pudding, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of 0-calorie sweetener. Now it's very important that we mix this concoction extremely well, because if we don't, our pudding is gonna end up with these little pockets of powder and nobody likes that. So I highly recommend that you use a shaker cup and a blender ball. So once it's all mixed together, we're gonna add the main ingredient, which is a 48-ounce container of fat-free Greek yogurt. So the next thing I need to do is mix this vanilla pudding mix into this Greek yogurt. So I figured while I'm doing that, I'd kind of give you a backstory of how I came up with this recipe. Ooh. Dang G. What the heck? Oh, I need to thin that out. Hold on. Yeah, I waited a little too long and it got a little thick. So if the same thing happens to you, just add a little bit of water to it and then it'll become liquid again. Kind of like a custard, you see? So you want that consistency. So I got the idea for this recipe when I was watching Will Tennyson. So Will Tennyson is a fitness YouTuber. Basically what he did was that he mixed sugar-free Jello pudding with Greek yogurt and made kind of like a frosting out of it. And the first time I tried that, I loved it, absolutely. But as I kept eating it, I noticed that the texture was a little weird. It left this chalky residue on my teeth, so I kind of didn't like that. So I started to thin it out with some milk, and then I started adding different sweeteners. I started to reduce the Jello pudding, and that's ultimately how I came up with this. Perfect. So make sure to give the yogurt a taste after you're done mixing everything together to make sure that it's at the sweetness that you like. And if you want more sweetness, then of course you can always add in more sweetener. With that done, we are left with the base of our recipe, which is basically a high protein vanilla pudding. Now this on a standalone basis tastes absolutely amazing. And if you're on a cut like I am, then you definitely want a full tub of this in your fridge at all times. Per serving, this only has 120 calories and 18 grams of protein. You can dip strawberries in it like it's whipped cream. That slaps. Or you can put it in a bowl with some cereal. It has a lot of different application and is a great option for snack or breakfast. But if you want to turn this into banana pudding, we need a couple more ingredients. So pour about 170 grams of our yogurt mixture into a bowl and add a 1/4 teaspoon of banana extract. So be careful with this stuff, especially if you're not a big fan of banana flavoring, because this will sock you in the face if you're too heavy-handed. And I've tried this recipe before without the banana extract and it still tastes great, so this is completely optional. Next, add in half a sliced banana and 10 mini Nilla wafers. Then mix that all together and it's done. Now I highly recommend that you make this the night before you're gonna eat it, because that'll just allow the yogurt to make the cookies and the bananas all nice and soft, and then it'll be really like a banana pudding. But anyways, I'm gonna give this a try. Banana pudding. So if you want to see another amazing anabolic recipe, make sure to watch my high protein beer milkshake video on your screen right now.